Adam 85, we'll route 1024. Adam 85.
CONVEYANCE received.
30 East 113, Boy, Charles, Ball, 27 David. PCP 270 on the Great East on the road.
Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Take your foot off the brake. Put your car in park and take your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the, put your car in park.
I got my son with me.
That's fine, but put your car in park.
What I'm saying is, I know I'm gonna have to go to jail, so I need you to, I need
That's fine, then just stop where you're at. You don't determine this. Stop and listen. Put the car in park now. Put it in park and turn it off. Put the keys on top of the car. Put the keys on top of the car!
Don't tell me I'm trying to do this.
I don't care what you're trying to do.
See, that's your...
Put the car in park. 46 around. You starting to know I took Rodney Carroll. Trying to get him put the car in park. Put the car in park. Do not go. No, stay there. Do not go.
48 Little Rock, I'm north of Carnival and 1019.
Will you start LIABILITY to me? We're east on Ronnie Perron, minute to Breaking Ridge. He's on the phone. He told me that I was going to follow him to his baby mom's side. And I told him no, but he took off driving. He's got his son in the car with him.
10-4. What's your 20 now?
Eastbound Running Perron at the Glide Express car wash. I'm fixing the TV out. Low speeds. Show me your hands now! Show me your hands! TVI at the Glide car wash. TVI. Use your left hand and open the door. Open the door now. Open the door. Step out of the car and walk backwards towards me now. Put your car in park. Put the car in park. Turn it off. Turn it off. Get out of the car and lay on the ground now. Get out of the car and lay on the ground.
I just told you I'm from McDonald's. I was trying to grab Jessica. He finna grab me. Please don't hurt me, sir. Please don't hurt me. Here go my phone. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. That's all I ask. I'm not doing nothing bad. I just said I knew I was going to jail. I'm just trying to get my son. Please don't hurt me. Like, dang, that's all I'm trying to do. You knew I was just trying to go get my son. Like, that's all I'm trying to do.
You could have listened to me when I told you to put the car in park and not move.
I'm trying to take you to my son. I'm trying to take
yeah, but the issue is you're not listening.
I know you were going to take me to jail, so I'm just trying to take my son there. Like, damn, you act like I'm doing something bad. I'm just trying to take my son there. I don't have nothing. I don't have anything.
Got a little bit of weed?
Man, that's bullshit.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying that's just some bullshit recreational weed, bro. What the fuck? That's it. I literally just got off work. My son threw up today, so I had to go pick him up from work. Pick him up from school. That's the only reason I'm here.
Well, you should have left the car in parking where you were when I told you to. Have a seat.
If you was gonna take me to jail and Marquise was gonna be a bandit.
Now you're.
I already was gonna go to jail, but you was gonna make my kid be a bandit.
Now you got a fleeing charge. So
Why would I have a...
There's a kid behind. Will you get the kid out? You know he's in the front. Hey, he was on the phone with somebody, so someone's probably going to come over and get the kid, okay?
Okay.
Hey, are you hurt, buddy?
You alright?
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
knocked up or anything? All right. We're good? Alright, come on with
What's up?
Is that reason why he didn't stop?
Do what?
Is that reason why he didn't stop?
He had his kid in the car. He said he knew he was going to jail, so he was going to go to his baby mama's house.
No.
So, that's on him. Hey, Freaky, since you got the kid, will you get his name and date of birth, please? Thank you. How are you? You alright? Good, man. I've got his stuff for you.
Huh? Okay.
No, you acting like I'm hiding anything. Stop acting like that,
I
bro.
didn't say you were hiding anything. All you had to do was listen to me, though. You're the one that asked.
I was gonna go to
But listen to me, man. Listen to me. Hey, grown man, to grown man, quit interrupting me.
The grown man shit, bro. You
Well, then you quit being childish and quit interrupting
I'm being
me.
a grown ass father figure trying to make sure my son is safe.
Then you should have stopped back there when I told you to put the car in park and turn it off.
I don't want to hear it, bro. Just call my mama, bro. I don't want to.
CFS comments added. He doesn't know his birthday isn't all his calls, man, or anything.
He doesn't? Okay.
I don't know if he's got the paperwork or anything, but had his name on it.
I don't know. He said his kid was sick, so.
He said his kid was sick?
Yeah, sick. No, that's not
Sick?
Sick. Hey, I'm fixing. I've already searched it. Yeah, I was gonna call you back. I'm fixing to move the car over here, get out of the road, and clear the roadway. Okay. One of y'all grab that hubcap and just throw it in the floorboard? Yeah, you can. I need to take a quick picture real quick, just where it's at. I've already moved it just a little bit, but it's still fine. It was a low speed, and I went deep to keep him from flinging off because he had the kid. The last thing I wanted him to do was take off at high speed with the kid in the front seat. He went through the red light over here. I was like, no, we're done at that point, dude. We're not doing this. Do what? Yeah, I'm good. You can move it over there. Appreciate it. It's already running.
They're all drippy in there.
Hey, 46 on those.
Why the fuck shit answer the phone? Why the fuck you didn't answer the phone when I called you? God damn! This motherfucking bitch right here, bro. What the fuck? Why the fuck you didn't answer the phone when I called? Shit is fucking ridiculous, bro. I can't make this shit up, bro.
CFS comments added.
Hey, 46 on those.
Adam 46.
Will you issue an SCA, please? And I've also got one by name and date of birth, if you can confirm.
Unit 25 left call.
Been born. I've been in the call and I've appreciated for but
Right here, pull up immediately, bro. I've been calling this motherfucker hoe, bro. What the fuck? But you pull up soon as some bullshit happen, bro. Like, this is crazy, bro.
$46 on those. You ready? Copy name and date of birth. Last name Jones. John Ocean Nora. Edward Sam. First name Marquise. Mary Adam Robert. Queen Union Ida. Sam Edward. Date of birth is 1994 0628. 1994 0628.